Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to open apps with Copilots. In a world full of apps, tabs, notifications, and information overload, Microsoft Copilot steps in your call, intelligent assistant ready whenever you need it. So whether you are working on PC, browsing the web, Copilot makes it easier to think, create, plan, and solve problems without breaking the flow. So Copilot focuses on simplicity, clarity, and everyday fluentness rather than another app to manage. So it can individually dependable to be able to actually do whatever you want just by you saying it. So here is how you can open apps with Copilot. First of all, make sure that you have the Copilot on. You have the subscription, and make sure to have also the Microsoft Copilot voice on as well, since you need to be talking instead of typing. That makes it even much faster. And once you do have all of these conditions, what's next to do is very simple. Now, you need to have the Copilot windows, as you will be knowing in this article. We've already went through it before, but I'm gonna tell you just a summary about it. Copilot, since it is coming by Windows, it is basically now a part of your Windows, and basically it is a part and built into your operating system. So literally Copilot now has the access to your whole PC. Now what to do with this information is simple. Just by you talking to the AI and the voice here, literally you can just alt tab it and leave it in the background. You can literally just say something like that. You're doing your work, saying something like that, and at some point you will need to open an application. You will say, for example, hey Copilot, open Google Chrome. And it should do it. It's very simple. Of course you can type it out, but it makes it much more easier for it to actually say it, for you to actually say it instead of typing it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.